First off, praise to the Most High. Glory Yeshua, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Yeah, we are. I'm gonna just put some race stripes on the cheeseburger. So we've got these beautiful stripes. Not as long as I thought. I was just gonna send it wherever the razor blade is going. Put some race stripes on it. Precision. Top precision. There is definitely way more bubbles than first of all. Whoopsies. Look at that. That's performance red. Looks like a worksite vehicle. I don't really know what we're doing, but here in this country, a bunch of people would be getting upset if we go and do some drifties in the car park. So send some donations so we can get our own padding so we can do our own things. But so we decided just to stick to the car because we have to wait until some people go just in case they don't get upset. But behind our shed we've got like a whole just nature strip. No one does anything there with, so we're planning to go in there. But we just need to wait till some people move their car so we can get through into there. So that's what we're going to do. Go do some ripping in the back. But for now, we're just putting some stickers on the car, and that's what we're doing. It's looking terrible right now. We'll see if we can pull it off. We have like 100 Shell quality fuel stickers, and we don't even use Shell fuel, so it'd be a bit weird. But no, it's kind of what we're vibing. I might just get some AU house stickers and put them here. Or I'll go back to my collection of stickers and see what we have. So we've fully spiced up the AU with the finest. Sorry guys. Sorry. We've got AU equality. We've got AU house and demerit-less and a red stripe for performance. And now we're going to go test that performance in a location. dear.
What happened?
Puddle got in my way.
Oh.
Well, you definitely can't see a thing when you hit that puddle. Oh, maybe I should attack it from this side.
You want to? Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Rattle. Should be right. I've got a little bit of a mid-damage report. With all the excitement, I forgot to put a hose clamp on my hose, so we've lost all our water. But it's okay because we've got plenty of puddle. However, I seem to have collected a tree and some garbage in my wheel on the other side. We're going to quickly fix this hose up, go back out because I've got a little course set up in my head to do this, so we're going to do that. Down for this job. I don't know, that was pretty fun actually. This is good grass. It's still grass here, so it's good grass.
Watch out. It's going, yeah!
I've got that bit of leverage on the hill, on the building, which helps.
See, those type of things, you just need to send it. I mean, I had a bit of care because I didn't want to rip the radiator out. So we'll check if the radiator's ripped out of this. All is well. Radiator is still in, doesn't look like it's leaking. We got coolant in, or water, after we fixed the hose. Pretty well. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Catches, this will be Thursday you'll be watching this. Catches next week, guys. Catches.